An improper fraction can be changed to a mixed number, and there are 4 things to consider. First, think of the fraction bar as a division symbol. Second, divide the numerator by the denominator. Third, the whole number becomes the whole number part of the mixed number. And fourth, write the remainder over the original denominator. This is the fraction part of the mixed number. Let's go ahead and try this with 2 examples. And we're going to change 16/3 from an improper fraction to a mixed number. We will do this by thinking of division. If I read this, I could read this as 16 divided by 3. That is how I will set it up. 16 divided by 3. 3 goes into 16 5 times. Let's multiply that. 5 times 3 is 15. We'll subtract. We have 1 as a remainder. That remainder 1 is put on top of the original denominator, which is 3. So the original denominator 3, which is what we're dividing 16 by, also becomes the denominator in the fractional part of our mixed number. 16/3 becomes 5 1/3 as a mixed number. Let's try another example, and let's try 7/2. We're going to divide 7 by 2. And again, 2 goes into 7 3 times. 3, as you recall, is our whole number. Three times 2 is 6. Let's subtract that from 7, and we have a remainder of 1. And then we write the remainder 1 over the original denominator, which is 2. And so 1/2 becomes our fraction part of our mixed number. 7/2 changed to a mixed number becomes 3 1/2. Let's try a couple more. Let's solve a couple more and change 2 more fractions, improper fractions, to mixed numbers. Let's first look at 9/7, and we're going to divide 9 by 7. 7 goes into 9 1 time, so we will subtract 7. 9 minus 7 is 2, and we write the remainder 2 over the original denominator of 7. So 9/7 equals 1 2/7. Let's try our second and final example, 14/3. We're going to divide 14 by 3. 3 goes into 14 4 times. That's our whole number, 4. 4 times 3 is 12. So we will subtract that, and we have a remainder of 2. We take that remainder of 2 and write it over the original denominator of 3. So 14/3 equals 4 2/3 as a mixed number.